Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Marshall Stanmore second generation speaker with your application, the mobile application. So I'm going to use the Android phone, and of course before the connecting with the application you have to accept the pairing, just like that. So if you don't know how to do this, you can find the second video on our YouTube channel. And right now let's just go to the Play Store. Click on the search bar, and right now we have to just type on keyboard and type Marshall. So we have to download this Marshall Bluetooth application. Right now we can open it, accept all of these permissions that will pop on your screen. You can you can input your email address, but you can also skip it, you don't need that. I'm gonna also skip this sharing data stuff. And we have to click to add device and accept the Bluetooth scanning. So right now our device, our phone or any other device that we have, is scanning for the nearby devices. And once you are connected, like I said, you will find the speaker right here. So we have to just click on it, and after the few seconds we will be successfully connected. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.